Welcome back to BBB's 5-Minute English, where simple English meets big ideas. I'm Luis.
And I'm Emmy. Today, we have a very exciting topic. We are talking about GPT-5, the newest version of the AI language model. Many people say it is smarter, faster, and more helpful than ever before.
GPT-5 is like a super smart friend who can read, write, and understand your questions. It can talk in many languages, make creative ideas, and even help with daily life tasks.
Yes, and it is not only about answering questions. GPT-5 can understand your style, your needs, and even your mood. This means AI can be more personal and friendly than before.
Let's start with some of the new features. First, GPT-5 is better at long conversations. In the past, AI might forget what we said earlier. But now, it can remember the topic for a long time. This makes the chat feel more natural, like talking to a human friend who knows you well.
Second, GPT-5 can connect to real-time information. This means it can give answers about what is happening now, like news, weather, sports scores, or stock prices. Imagine asking, "What's the weather in Tokyo right now?" and getting the answer in seconds.
And third, it can create different styles of writing. For example, it can write like a news reporter, a storyteller, or even a poet. If you are writing a letter, you can tell GPT-5, make it polite but friendly, and it will do it for you.
There is more. GPT-5 can now work with pictures and sounds. This means you can show it a photo, and it can tell you what's in the picture. Or, you can ask it to help write captions for your videos.
Before we go deeper, let's ask our listeners a question.
Here's our question: which feature of GPT-5 would you use most? A. Real-time information. B. Long memory in chats. C. Creative writing styles. Tell us in the comments.
Okay, let's talk about how GPT-5 might change our lives. First, in education. GPT-5 can be a personal teacher. It can explain hard topics in simple words, give examples, and even test you with quizzes. Imagine learning English, math, or history with a tutor that never gets tired.
Second, in work. GPT-5 can help write reports, answer emails, and prepare presentations. This can save time for workers and make jobs more efficient. A small business owner could ask GPT-5 to write a marketing plan and get a professional answer in minutes.
Third, in creative fields. Artists, writers, and video creators can use GPT-5 to get new ideas. It can suggest plots for stories, help write scripts, or even give music ideas. A YouTuber might ask GPT-5 to write 10 video ideas and have fresh content ready to go.
But, there is another side to think about. AI like GPT-5 might replace some jobs. For example, if AI can write good marketing content, some companies might hire fewer writers. If AI can make a simple logo in seconds, some graphic design jobs might be lost.
True, but AI can also create new jobs. For example, AI trainers, AI safety experts, and people who design AI experiences. It's like when the internet started, some jobs disappeared, but many new ones came. Think of how many people now work as social media managers or app developers.
AI could also help people with disabilities. Imagine someone who cannot see, GPT-5 could describe the world around them. Or someone who cannot speak, GPT-5 could be their voice in a conversation.
Another big question is, can we trust AI? GPT-5 is more advanced, but it still needs humans to check its answers. AI can make mistakes, or give answers that sound true but are not correct.
That's why it's important to use AI as a helper, not as a boss. People still need to make the final decisions. Just like a GPS in your car, it can guide you, but you must watch the road.
We also need to think about privacy. GPT-5 can remember what we say, but how is that information stored? Who can see it? These are questions we must ask.
And then there's the future. Some experts believe GPT-5 is just the beginning. One day, AI might be able to understand the world almost like humans do. But others warn that we must be careful, so AI is always used for good.
Now, let's talk about 3 words related to our topic.
The first word is innovation. This means a new idea or method. For example, the smartphone was a big innovation in communication. Or, her company is famous for technology innovation.
The second word is automation. This means using machines or technology to do work without humans. For example, the factory uses automation to make cars faster. Or, automation can help reduce boring tasks.
The third word is collaboration. This means working together with others. For example, good collaboration makes a project more successful. Or, online tools make global collaboration easier.
So, GPT-5 is not just a new tool. It is a new step in how we work, learn, and create. But we must also think about how to use it wisely.
That's all for today's BBB's 5-Minute English. Tell us in the comments, how would you use GPT-5 in your life?
Thanks for listening, and see you next time.
Thank you for watching. Welcome to subscribe to BBB Learning English. Learn English with you.